Hey, so I just wanted to make a really quick update video for the Nicehash miner. 100% LHR unlock is here, so we'll go through this and then I'll just show you what my cards are doing. So 100% Nicehash unlock, it's here. We're really excited to tell you that Nicehash QUICKMINER, so this is the QUICKMINER, not the normal app that I had done a video on, is the first mining software to fully 100% unlock LHR cards. That is true. Nobody else has done this, and it is 100% real. Now you can earn more profits than any other mining software on the market, blah, 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 blah. Create an account, download miner. What are the benefits of using Nicehash over mining directly? And that just goes into that. So they don't really tell you how or why they have done this or like how they got the information, but it's 100% real. Some theories are that they basically got some of the information from like the NVIDIA hack a while ago. Who really knows? But at the end of the day, what matters is the numbers. So, for example, the 3070 Ti's that I had with the LHR lock, they were only doing 55 mega hash. So that was about as good as you could get it. But now with the unlock, they're around 76 on a light overclock on Nicehash QuickMiner. So if I cranked it up to high, it actually goes to almost 80 mega hash for 3070 Ti. So that's a pretty significant improvement in mining power. So before this, I was about 20 or so bucks a day with my two rigs. Now we're about $40 with the 25% increase. So it's pretty substantial. But yeah, like I said, it's only on the quick miner. So the big thing with the quick miners, it's only one algorithm. So certain cards can't run it. I have a 1650 that can't run on the algorithm. So really depends on your graphics cards and whatnot. And again, Nicehash is only on Windows. So there are some drawbacks to this, but the fact that Nicehash has this unlock tells me that other programs and providers will probably figure it out soon enough. So it's really good for the community. But as a Nicehash user, I'm extremely happy. So just want to do a quick update video on that. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.